A62A.
R, R, R.
A62B.
Fur, far, for. Bore, bar, bear. Hurt, heart, hate. Much, march, match.
A62C.
Calm, card, cart. Star, starve, start. Harm, halve, half. It's hard to park a car in a dark car park.
A63.
Far, bar, heart, march, card, star, start, charm, chart.
Ask, fast, after, path, bath, dance, aunt.
God, strong, lock, top.
A64A.
Air, air, air.
A64B.
Bar, bear, beer. Shy, share, sure. Dead, dared, died. Stars, stairs, stays.
A64C.
Square, squares. Where, where's. Fair, fairly. Sarah and Mary share their pears fairly.
A65.
Bear, share, dared, stairs, square, where, cared, fairly.
A66.
This is a great life, with no worries or cares.
It would be nice if we had cars though, Sid.
I didn't say cars, I said cares.
Oh, I see. Not cars as in traffic, but cares with an ES at the end.
That's right. I've always loved sleeping under the stars.
But why? There's hardly any space under the stairs.
No, not stairs, stars. You know, little lights in the sky.
Oh, stars. I thought you said stairs that people walk up. A67. Example.
He asked her to dance.
1,
We started in March.
2,
It's a fast car.
3,
My heart's strong.
4,
Where's the bar?
5,
It stops and starts.
6,
A glass of beer.
7.
Was his hair dark or fair?
A68. 1,
Heart or hat.
She put her hand on her heart.
2,
Nowhere or no way.
There's no way to go.
3,
Fair or far.
It isn't far.
4,
Part or port.
This is the main part of Athens.
5,
Bear or beer.
That's a strong beer.
6.
Come or calm.
She told me to come down.